Feeling overwhelmed with tasks? Struggling to prioritize? The Eisenhower Matrix can be your game changer. Let me show you how this powerful tool can help you focus on what really matters. Introduction. Hey, productivity warriors! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Eisenhower Matrix, a simple yet effective tool used by high performers to organize their tasks. Whether you're a business owner, student, or just someone who wants to take control of your time, this template can help you prioritize tasks and maximize your productivity. What is the Eisenhower Matrix? The Eisenhower Matrix, also known as the Urgent-Important Matrix, divides your tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, tasks you need to do immediately; important but not urgent, tasks you should schedule for later; urgent but not important, tasks you should delegate if possible; neither urgent nor important, tasks that are often distractions and should be minimized. By using this matrix, you can focus on what truly matters while avoiding burnout from unnecessary tasks. How to use the Eisenhower Matrix. Step 1. Write down all the tasks you need to do. Step 2. Sort each task into one of the 4 quadrants. Step 3. Start by focusing on the urgent and important tasks. Step 4. Plan the important but not urgent tasks into your schedule to prevent them from becoming last-minute stressors. Step 5. Delegate or remove tasks in the other quadrants to free up your time. Why you need the Eisenhower Matrix. This simple system helps you eliminate distractions and focus on what really drives results. With the Eisenhower Matrix, you'll no longer feel overwhelmed or unsure of what to tackle next. Instead, you'll have a clear roadmap to managing your time efficiently. Get your Eisenhower Matrix template. Want to start using the Eisenhower Matrix today? I've created a ready-to-use template just for you. Purchase the link in my bio and start taking control of your time like a pro. Whether you're managing work projects or personal tasks, this template will help you prioritize like never before. Conclusion. That's it for today's video. If you're ready to boost your productivity and stop wasting time on distractions, the Eisenhower Matrix is the way to go. Don't forget to check out the link in my bio to get your hands on the template and subscribe for more tips to stay on top of your game. See you in the next video.